Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to set time in Vivo Y15 as phone. Guys, you want to set your phone time in Vivo Y15 as phone. So guys, you can set your phone time, and guys, let's see how to set phone time. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you're watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, come in system setting. The system setting guys, click here. Guys, click on date and time, and guys click on time. So guys, then guys you can see this keyboard option, so we will have to click here and guys tap here. So guys, time is now, we will check. The time is guys 12:49, and then guys okay. So as you can see guys, time has set at 12:49 in Vivo Y15 as phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.